Hello, guys. This is day 18, and I'm going to start my day. And today, I want to talk on one word. So, let's say, if I give you my room tour, so I can pick one of the item from my rule and then I will talk about it. So, let's. I just flip my camera to, you know, front to back and just take a look of take a look of my room tour, or I'm showing you my room. Then I will choose one thing. Okay, this is my room. Light bulb, hanger, TV, cocomelon, good night, अलमीरा अलमीरा के अंदर बैग है, मंदिर, then my chair, my computer and messy desk, again light plug. This is my bed. This is towel. So this is you like pretty guess. It's a very normal room. Uh, First, let me switch the camera. Okay, so you see, sorry. Okay, guys. So you saw my room. So I know it's a very messy, or I think most of the room, it's like only like it's that only when you have a small kid in your home, so you can guess or you can easily recognize the scribbling on the walls and some cartoon channel is play on YouTube. So yeah, it's very normal in every house, I know that. So I can see like there are lot of things in my room. So I think I can talk on towel. I don't know how I pronounce it, but I think towel is the correct word. और हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं तौलिया. Okay, so let's start on towel. So in my opinion, towel is one of the essential thing in every house because it's a thing we use to dry ourselves. And actually everyone knows about the towel, but I want to say few things. In earlier days, I clearly remember when I was too young, like 5 or 6 year old. So my father used to take a towel or taulia on their shoulder, and he brings all the time, you know he carry like talia all the time on the his one shoulder, because like we are belong to I'm not belong, but my father belonged to village. So his habit to use the towel on a one shoulder, not now, but yeah, in his younger days. I know my village, so there is a culture. Like there was not now, there was culture. People used to use towel on one hand. They, the mostly they are farmers, so they use towel to wash, clean their face, and maybe they wear the towel, as a short. So towel has a lot of use in earlier, in 90s or 80s, or you can say like my father or my grandfather's age. But now we have very fancy towel, and if I talk about more about towel, so now one family earlier, like there's only one or two towel. I'm talking about my family, and not I'm not know about animals else, but I know in my family, I think there was only one or two towel for full family. So we used to use like there, but now everyone has their own separate towel, and kids has a special one like who have some cartoon character painted on it. So yeah, I think it's almost 3+ minute now, and you can see, yeah, I am able to speak on towel. And if you have any suggestion, any guidance for me, so please, guys, do share your comment. And I'm here to learn, and I'm sharing my journey with you. So please, guys, if you inspire, if you feel like I can do it, so maybe you can also do it. So please, guys, be focused on your learning, especially reading and speaking part and writing part. These are the old but the best way to learn any language. And I know we are learning this English language, and it is like it is a barrier or it is a hurdle of our career. And when we cross this hurdle, so definitely sky is the limit for us. I know अभी बहुत मेहनत करनी है हम लोगों को, सो प्लीज़ जर्नी में साथ दो, एंड प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। और आई नो आप लोगों को पता नहीं कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, बट या आई जस्ट रिकॉर्ड माय जर्नी, दैट्स इट। सो लेट्स से इफ आई अभी वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो रहा है, ओके, बट ठीक है, लेट्स डू इट। सो इफ आई रेट माय इंग्लिश, सो आई कैन से माय इंग्लिश इज ऑन 4 out of 10। सो एटलीस्ट आई वांट टू 8 to 9, बिकॉज 10 out of 10 तो मेरा स्कोर किसी के लिए होगा नहीं। इफ सपोज शशि थरूर को भी मैं 9 दूंगा अपने हिसाब से, क्योंकि एक का स्कोप तो सबके लिए होता है फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट। तो इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हर किसी में स्कोप होता है, वो हर फील्ड में होता है। ओके, सो नाउ आई एम मार्किंग माई सेल्फ 3.5 and 4। सो आई वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस जर्नी टूवर्ड्स 8 or 7। 9 हो जाऊंगा तो बात ही क्या है, बट ठीक है, इट्स अ जर्नी एंड दिस इज डे 18। सो दैट्स इज गाइड, ऑलरेडी वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो गया है। सो बाय बाय फॉर नाउ, मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में। बाय बाय।